Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back to 5280, and today we're going to continue our mini-series. So, if you don't know what that means, well, started doing some short videos on one topic, and one topic in general, and basically going from A to Z on how to do that particular topic. Today, we got noisy cars in the background, and we got a product that's, well, new to me. I don't know how long this has been around, but it's Mother's. It's the CMX. Now, this is a restore and coat. It's a ceramic trim. Basically, I guess it has ceramic properties to it to help block the sun and water and help protect against fading plastic. So, today we're going to install this, or I guess not really install it, more like apply it to the car. So guys, we're going to go from something faded, kind of worn out looking like this, to, well, it's not so faded and worn out. It doesn't really hide the scratches all that well, but I mean, that's something I'm not too worried about. But it does a pretty good job at giving it a flat black look and not a gray sunbeam look. So I'm going to see how long or how well this product lasts, how long it will last, and we're going to get it, I don't know, an update. Probably I'll do one about 6 months from now. Kind of show you how it fares against the winter and all of the other stuff as well. Cool. Directions are very simple with this one. And it just says basically finish should be clean, dry, and cool. Coat one area at a time. You know, all the usual stuff. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to spray it onto your microfiber towel. You're going to wipe the surface down, massage the product into it. And then after a few minutes of drying, you're basically going to buff it, which in the detail world, you basically call level it out, level the product out. And from there, you're going to buff off any extra. Now you are able to get 2 coats onto this, but this does have one particular thing it says about coats. Let it dry or cure for 24 hours between coats. Now, my question is, it's raining, I apply this and let it sit for an hour, what's the rain gonna do? Is it gonna wash it off? So that's another thing to do, or another thing to test. But we'll see how well this does, and hopefully it lasts quite a while. Not that this trim is terrible, but it definitely needs some TLC. So, like it says, we're just gonna take our towel and our product here. So it says spray it onto her towel. Whoa. Well, it's an interesting product in the way it looks. But this is kind of similar to a dash cleaner or something like that, something you rub into the dash and clean. So, pretty simple. Rub it in.
Here we come back to life, we're still breathing. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
Stuff is actually really easy to apply, and just the way it looks right now, it's pretty good. It's outstanding. I like the way it looks. So we're gonna wait about a minute or two, let it dry, and then Dami Elgato, wax off. All right, we're gonna take our other microfiber cloth and we're basically gonna wipe it down like so. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I did something wrong, but I mean, in the camera, this side versus this side, there is a big difference. But I think from where we started, it doesn't seem all that different. So I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna go outside the directions. I'm gonna coat it again. shot here. If all else fails, we have a review on this product. And something we can write home about, or something we can scrap. When it goes on, it looks really good. This is about what it should look like. It should be a matte shine. Like this. Alright, I'm going to try this one more time, see what it does. And hopefully it looks very much like this when we're done. Alright, I think we're getting there. I think we're having luck. I think it's saying do one coat and then buff it off. Is not as good. And again, I also could be waiting too long. But this second coat looks way better. I might just throw a third one on there just to be safe. The other thing it does say is don't let it dry on there. And it's kind of warm and humid out today. This looks a lot better than that first coat. I want to do one more, and then we're gonna rip off the tape and see what it looks like. I mean, you already can kind of tell what it looks like, but I want to see a hard line before and after. Bet you guys do too. Alright guys, let's take a look at the before and after, and let's see how well this did. Like I said, you can kind of see the before and after, but hard tape line really makes a difference. And wow, there actually is a pretty big difference in that. Just look. That's actually quite crazy. It didn't look like it was doing a whole lot, but it did a fair job. So, I guess the last step is do the rest of it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Now, this looks fairly good. Now, it is not 100%. I probably will do an extra coat on this tomorrow just to see if I can get it just a little bit more, well, black. Because it still shows a little bit of the fade in it, but it is a night and day difference from where it was. Now, the other product that I've used, and it's actually made by the same company, is I believe Restorative Black. That's a great product. It actually gets the job done in one coat, and it gives you a, I would say a really good matte black, a deep matte black to it, which is really good. Now the only thing I can complain about that product is it doesn't last that long. So I'm hoping if I throw another coat of this on there, it'll get it to the point to where I'm happy with it, and then hopefully it will last quite a while. Now this is close. This is not 100%, but it is close to where I would like it. Now again, they say if you're gonna do 2 coats, do them 24 hours apart. I layered the crap out of it, and I'm gonna let it dry for 24 hours. I'm gonna do another coat and lay the crap out of it. So it hopefully will come out to about where I like. But in the meantime, guys, if you have any questions, comment below. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe, comment, like, do all of the YouTube stuff. Help me out here. I'm trying to get to 20 subscribers. Hopefully, that will be just a little bit of time to get there, and then we'll blow past that. But as far as everything else goes, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, these guys are going to keep coming out every Wednesday. They are super easy to film. They're super informational. And honestly, I do it for you guys. And I do it for myself because I enjoy this. This is fun. I don't get to work on my car in short little bursts like this. It's normally big projects that take forever, and I'm exhausted by the end of it. This is easy stuff. But I'll catch you next time, guys.